In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly meeting polls. By the end, you'll know exactly how to propose times, collect everyone's preferences, and share a single link that keeps scheduling tidy and stress-free. Start on your Calendly dashboard and look for the Create button, typically in the upper right corner. This is your starting point for anything new you set up in Calendly, and it opens a menu of scheduling options you can choose from. From that menu, select More Ways to Meet. This expands the list beyond standard one-to-one events and is where group-friendly options live. It's perfect when you don't want to commit to a single slot yet, but you're ready to offer choices. Next, choose Meeting Poll. This is designed specifically for polling a group on potential times. Think of it as a streamlined way to avoid long email threads and side conversations about availability. You'll see a calendar view where you can select the open times you're willing to host. Click and drag on the blank spots that work for you. You can add several options across multiple days so people have real choices. Calendly highlights your free times, so steer clear of anything that looks blocked. A quick tip: offer a focused set of options that truly work for you and aim for consistent durations to keep the poll clear. Also, verify the time zone indicator at the top so invitees see the right times. When your proposed times look good, click Next. This moves you to the details that your invitees will see when they open the poll. Enter a meeting name. Keep it short, clear, and specific so people instantly recognize what they're voting on. The title appears on the poll and on the final calendar event, so make it informative without being lengthy. Now, select the location. Choose how you'll meet, such as a video conference, a phone call, or an in-person twin location. If you've connected a video tool like Zoom or Google Meet in Calendly, selecting it here ensures the final event automatically includes the correct meeting link. When everything looks right, click Share Meeting Poll. Calendly will generate a unique link for your poll and present sharing options. Finally, click Copy Link. Paste that link into your team chat, email, or anywhere your group communicates. Recipients open the poll, vote on all the times that work for them, and you'll see responses roll in. Once a clear option emerges, Calendly will guide you to finalize the winning time and get everyone confirmed. That's it. Your meeting poll is live, easy to share, and ready to collect availability.